Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, you may now take your seats. Before we dive into today's lesson, quick question. Who here among you checks their phone during class? Be honest.
Hindi po, sometimes ma'am.
Me too, ma'am. I just be quickly to see if someone is listening.
Thank you for being honest. Research, especially one by Kosnikov and his work, says that using phones during class, especially for social media, can actually affect your academic performance, even if you think you're multitasking. Your brain isn't really focused.
Even if you just glance at it.
Yes, Choga. Even small glances cannot disrupt your brain. It can take 30 minutes for your mind to refocus fully. Today, we're going to apply something from recent research. We'll create a device-free space while doing a listening activity. Please put your phones in airplane mode and place them inside your bags or face down on your table.
So no phones until the end?
Exactly. Don't worry, you'll only need your ears and brain for this one, okay? So let's quickly talk about digital distractions. So what do you call it when you do many things at once, like replying to messages while listening to a lecture?
Multitasking.
Okay, very good, correct. But here's the thing. Multitasking feels productive, but it actually causes cognitive overload. That means your brain is overwhelmed and can fully process what you're hearing or learning.
So that's why I forgot sometimes, even if I was listening.
Exactly. You were present but not fully engaged. So let's try something. I'll write a short audio story called 5 Ways to Listen Better by Julian Crusher. It's about 8 minutes long. Just listen, no notes, no distractions. Focus on understanding the story, okay?
Silence. Just 3 minutes a day of silence is a wonderful exercise to reset your ears and to recalibrate so you can hear quiet again. If you can't relax in silence, go for a quiet. I love it. Or just try this one with silence.
Okay, let's reflect. Yes, Peter, how did it feel to listen without your phone?
I'm sorry, madam, I'm not able to remember. I was not able to capture it clearly.
I see. How about you, Miss Michelle?
I keep reaching for my pocket, but I realized that I didn't need to, so I actually understood the story a bit better.
Interesting. How about you, Jacob?
So I noticed I could imagine the story more clearly. Usually I miss parts, but this time I didn't.
Today, we learned how powerful focused listening can be. You also learned how easily your attention can be divided by devices. And now what to do about it. If you apply this strategy, limit digital distractions, stay present, and use tech wisely, your comprehension will absolutely improve. Now, for your homework, write a short journal of what distracts me the most when listening, and what's one change I'll make starting this week. Submit it on your Google Classroom, not your group chat.